Students, now we'll go for question number 3 in exercise 6.3. Read the question, listen properly everyone. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. In that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, that is in a trapezium two sides are parallel. That is AB parallel to CD. And using similarity, we have to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. That we have to prove. Clear, children? Yeah. But we know that diagonals are intersecting at O. That is also given. Diagonals intersecting at O. Then using the similarity, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Similarity means we know if two triangles we have to prove similar. Here two triangles, what is that? Select AOB, triangle AOB, and another one triangle COD. These two similar we have to prove. Then obviously the sides are in proportional. What are the sides? OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. That we have to do. Clear, children? Similarity we have to use now. What is that similarity? Now we will check. First one I am selecting in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Triangle COD. In this, you will check what are equal. Yes? Yeah. One condition is there. AB parallel to CD. I am observing in ABCD trapezium. AB parallel to CD. That is given here. Using this, we will check now. This one, AB is parallel to CD. Then what about this one? DB is what is obviously? It's a transversal. DB is transversal. Transversal. Clear, children? Now, if two lines parallel, if one transversal, then alternate angles are equal. What are the alternate angles? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes, first one, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes. Next one, same way. What is here? CA is a transversal. CA is transversal. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Same again here. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Clear, children? What is the reason here? Alternate angles are equal. That's all. Alternate angles are equal. Clear. Now, what is working similarity? By AA similarity. By AA. Angle. Only two are working here. AA similarity. Triangle AOB. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Triangle COD. This is the answer. Clear, children? Yeah. But finally, similarity done. But what is asking here? The sides are in proportional. If two triangles are similar, obviously sides are in proportional. Right here? Therefore, OA by OC is equal to this one. OA by OC is equal to what is next one? OB by OD. OB by OD. Clear, children? If two triangles are similar, then what is? The sides are in proportional. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence, finally what is? Hence, proved. Clear, children? Now we will go for question number 5. Read the question, understand the question, then solve it. S and T are points on PR and QR. Clear? In triangle PQR. And given angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two are equal given. And show that finally angle RPQ similar to RTS. Clear, children? RPQ, triangle RPQ and RTS. We have to put both are similar. Clear? Yeah. We'll go for that one. We'll select what is given in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. What is question? From that only we are starting. Okay? Yeah. First in that what is given actually? Use that one. RPQ. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle RTS. This is given. For similarity, how many things required? Minimum 2. Okay. First one done. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Already given that. Now observe children and reading only in triangle RPQ. RPQ. Next one, triangle RTS. What is the common in this? R is the common. Clear? Angle R is equal to angle R. Common. Common angle for both the triangles. That's why. And triangle RPQ, triangle RTS. R is the common. Angle R is equal to angle R. Here, first one is angle and second one also angle. Now what is? By AA similarity. By AA similarity. Clear children? By AA similarity. What is here selected here? Triangle. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This is the answer. Clear children? I hope everyone understanding. This one, it's a very simple thing. Using AA similarity, both the triangles are similar.